Learn English to Gujarati, to be,
hovuṁ,
and funny forms like,
hovuṁ.
welcome to the house of being. Hey, you're about to learn some very important little words and phrases. And yes, we will make grammar less scary than a cat wearing glasses. Welcome to today's playful English to Gujarati lesson. Our star is the idea of to be, which in Gujarati is
hovuṁ.
Think of it as the superhero of tiny verbs. It does not fly, it does not punch villains, but somehow it appears everywhere. If you can remember
hovuṁ,
you already have a strong base. Today you will also meet forms and phrases like
હું તું કહેશે એ GC એવું થવા દો અમે હોઈએ IHR
and
GCN.
Ready? Good. Your brain has brought snacks. The main verb, to be. Let's start with the big one. If this word were a celebrity, it would arrive late and still be forgiven. The English phrase, to be, is
hovuṁ,
say it slowly.
hovuṁ,
Imagine a person standing very still under a glowing sign that says,
hovuṁ,
they are not dancing, they are not shopping, they simply exist. Very efficient. Try these examples. I want to be calm. In Gujarati, hum Santa.
hovuṁ,
Mangu chum. To be or not to be. Becomes.
hovuṁ,
K na.
hovuṁ,
Quote. Memory trick.
hovuṁ,
Sounds a little like home. To be is to feel at home in existence. Dramatic? Yes. Memorable? Also yes. A mirror says I be. Now we get a little poetic. Do not worry, no beret is required. The phrase, I be, here is
hovuṁ,
It feels formal, unusual, and a little like grammar wearing a tuxedo. Break it apart.
hovuṁ,
Means, I, and.
hovuṁ,
Gives you that special, be, idea. Together.
hovuṁ,
Imagine looking in a mirror and your reflection whispers.
hovuṁ,
Slightly spooky, but educational. Mini dialogue. A. What does this special form mean? B. It means.
hovuṁ,
Quote. Say it once more with confidence.
hovuṁ.
Excellent. You now sound like a thoughtful philosopher in a library. Your turn to speak. This next phrase points at one person and says, basically, okay, buddy, your mouth now. The phrase, you say, subjunctive, is
તું કહેશે
think of a classroom. The teacher asks a question. Everyone suddenly studies the ceiling tiles. Then the teacher points at you.
તું કહેશે
No pressure. Useful example. If you say it, I will listen. In Gujarati, Jo.
તું કહેશે
To hum sambalasa. Memory trick.
તું
Is, you, and.
કહેશે
Connects with saying. So when one person must speak, think.
તું કહેશે
That person over there. Time for one tiny word with a surprisingly busy schedule. The Gujarati word.
એ
Can mean he, she, or it, depending on context. Tiny word, huge responsibility. Point to someone across the room and say.
એ
Point to an object over there and say.
એ
It is the multitasker of the day. Examples.
એ અહીં છે
Means, he is here. Quote.
એ ના કહ્યું
Means, she said no. If you forget someone's name, this word can rescue you. Politely, of course. Not too much pointing. We are learning language, not becoming a mystery goblin. A strange guest, she be. Here comes a very unusual item. It walks in, bows formally, and refuses to explain itself. The phrase, she be, in your list appears as
GC.
Yes, it looks unusual next to Gujarati script items, and that is okay. Your mission is simply to remember this exact target phrase as given. Imagine an old blackboard in a dramatic classroom, and written on it in giant chalk letters is
GC.
The teacher whispers, this means she be. Everyone nods as if this is perfectly normal. Repeat it once.
GC.
Again.
GC.
Great. Sometimes learning a language also means learning to smile politely at strange grammar furniture. Let it be, and maybe also let the cat win. Now for a phrase that sounds wise, peaceful, and ideal for moments when life is being a little ridiculous. Let it be, in Gujarati is.
એવું થવા દો.
Picture a leaf floating down a river. You could chase it. You could give it advice. You could hold a meeting about it. Or you could simply say.
એવું થવા દો.
Example. I cannot change it, so let it be. In Gujarati.
હું તેને બદલી શકતો નથી, તેથી એવું થવા દો.
Quote. This is a great phrase for language learning too. Forgot a word? Tiny mistake? Breathe in.
એવું થવા દો.
Then keep going. When we all be together. Grammar becomes less scary when it brings friends. The phrase, we be, is.
અમે હોઈએ.
Break it down.
અમે.
Means, we, and.
હોઈએ.
Gives the, be, form. Together.
અમે હોઈએ.
Imagine a whole team standing in a line before a meeting, trying to look serious but clearly thinking about snacks. The leader says, it is important that.
અમે હોઈએ.
Ready. A helpful sentence from your set is.
તે મહત્વનું છે કે અમે હોઈએ તૈયાર સમય પર.
Meaning, it is important that we be ready on time. 2 odd museum labels. These next 2 are special display items. Please do not feed them chips. Your list also includes the phrase, you be, shown as.
IHR-SIT.
Treat it as a fixed form to remember exactly as given. Imagine an old castle teacher pointing at a group and saying.
IHR-SIT.
The label says, you be. And finally, they are said to be, appears as.
ZCN.
This one feels like reported speech, like a rumor wearing formal shoes. Imagine a reporter reading from a paper and saying.
ZCN.
Quick contrast.
IHR-SIT.
Equals, you be, while.
ZCN.
Equals, they are said to be. They look similar, so give them different mental scenes. A teacher for.
IHR-SIT.
A reporter for.
ZCN.
Comedy dialogue drill. Let's put the words into a silly little scene so your memory can have more fun. Teacher. What is to be in Gujarati? You.
hovuṁ.
Quote. Mirror philosopher. And how do you say, I be? You.
હું હોઉં.
Quote. Teacher points dramatically. Now you say it. You hear.
તું કહેશે.
You look across the room and whisper about one person.
A.
A mysterious old grammar book opens by itself and says.
ZC.
You do not panic. You nod wisely. Then your overthinking brain starts yelling. You calm it with.
એવું થવા દો.
Your study group joins hands and chants.
અમે હોઈએ.
From the Museum of Ancient Forms, 2 voices echo.
IHR-SIT.
And.
ZCN.
Honestly, this is now a very strange party, but you are learning brilliantly. Quick quiz time. No stress. This is just your brain doing a little stretching. What is Gujarati for, to be?
હોવું.
How do you say, I be?
હું હોઉં.
What phrase means, you say, subjunctive?
તું કહેશે.
What tiny Gujarati word can mean, he, she, or, it?
A.
How do you say, let it be?
એવું થવા દો.
What phrase means, we be?
અમે હોઈએ.
Which unusual target phrase in your set means, she be?
ZC.
Which one means, you be?
IHR-SIT.
And which one means, they are said to be?
ZCN.
Friendly conclusion. You made it. And look at that, grammar did not bite. Today you practiced, to be, and its related forms in English and Gujarati, including
હોવું. હું હોઉં. તું કહેશે. A. ZC. એવું થવા દો. અમે હોઈએ. IHR-SIT.
and.
ZCN.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the phrases out loud, and do not worry if some forms feel odd at first. That is normal. Come back, practice again, and let your memory do its wonderful weird magic.